She's got her spot to rub herself. We're gonna climb way up there. Right, Bienes? Let's go. Come on. No snow today. We made it to the top. Right, Bienes? See all, there's apartment 103 down there, that's where I live. My rabbit hutch. But we're at the foot of this mountain. We walk downtown there to the tourist area. There's the big Yongsan River. I call it the Mississippi of Korea. Along it, all the breadbasket. Little Wolchosan Mountain way in the background, National Park. Went for my run. Started the new year right. There's always a reset button, isn't there? Hope rings eternal. Everybody back going to church, thinking the year's God's gonna bless them. The gamblers are back at the table. Luck's gonna be there. You know, the fishermen are throwing in their lines, thinking this year I'm gonna catch the big one. All the gyms are filled. Hallelujah! They're gonna lose all that weight, be healthy, and then entropy. Things fall apart. Yep. But it's still good to hit that reset all the time. I think you should hit it every day. If we had a reset button every day, I think the world would be a lot more merrier, a lot more less set in its way. Hope rings eternal. I'm gonna go home and go to the sauna. Here they have some great saunas. It's somewhere down in that mess of buildings down over there. Viernes, peligroso. Come, vengo. But the saunas here are great, so they have all the stuff and doodads, and too cold, it's like -5, and really good big wind chill. So there's downtown Mokpo, Yudel-san, cable car, everything. But best wishes to everybody. Any precious reader, thank you for having read, even if it's just a few lines. Something that I said. Let's keep it human, face to face. In this world of digital drudgery, we got to replace the bits and bytes with face to face. Drop.